Okay, hi guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna do my second Raya look dengan barang Pupa, and this is a nighttime look. Yeah, ayolah kita make up. First kali I pakai smoothing foundation primer, tak sikit, and tak kat muka. I love this foundation from Pupa. This is their Extreme Staying Power Total Comfort Foundation, and it's oil free. So orang ada oily skin tu, baguslah. This is for you guys. Just dot ke satu muka I, spread it around sikit. So this concealer, cream concealer in the shade 001. So I just pakai dekat bawah mata I, kat macam ni. Ready for selfie powder palette. I have two blushes here with me. Ada yang like pinkish and coral, and you know me, I love coral. So I'm going to go with this. Okay, so I just like letak kat pipi eye the highlighter from the palette though. Okay, this is their True Eyebrow Pencil. So I just lukis je and fill in the gap kat kening eye. And seterusnya akan buat mata. Untuk this look, I pakai long lasting stick eyeshadow. I akan just letak satu mata I. I akan ambil this colour here, this eyeshadow here. Nama dia 3D Metal Eyeshadow in the shade 003. Lepas tu I ambil this colour here in the shade 002 and letak dekat sini. Okay, video ni. Focus dekat eye camera. Okay, ambil a smaller brush and dekat bawah ni. Okay, seterusnya untuk buat eye look macam kedebung buat eyeliner but using a cream shadow, I akan ambil this angled brush here. I coat the brush dengan this shadow. I lukis and kita akan attempt buat wing liner dari bawah, drag it naik atas. This is so hard. I'm gonna show you another way cara you nak achieve this look. Okay, this eyeliner, and I'm gonna buat wing liner kat sini, but I'm not gonna show on camera because I showed it like in my previous video, and because I akan tengok macam ni, so like you won't get to see pun cara pakai. So, sekejap nampak siapa text I. Nampak tak? I dah buat this quick wing liner kat here, and ni macam like this dah apa-apa punya liner. You akan letak this on top of the ni, so you dah ada colour kat sini. Okay, that's the rahsia. Kita just trace balik je. I pakai this Vamp Mascara dekat my lower lashes. And then I pakai this lipstick yang I pakai in my previous video because dia match dengan the heavy look. So makeup look dia macam, nampak tak? Kelainan dia adalah eyeliner dia yang warna purple. Tada! So this is the finished look. Okay tak? So the highlight of this look is obviously the liner. Okay, very simple. Tak adalah macam orang kata macam, oh my god, dia pakai apa kat mata dia. Okay, tak ada macam tu. Dia macam, oh wow, purple eyeliner. By the way, you can get the Pupa makeup from Sasa exclusively dekat Sasa je. Meaning kat tempat lain memang tak jual Pupa, only dekat Sasa stores. So yeah, that's that. Itu je lah. Bye, love you. Mwah.